Okay, school reward system. Code with me. So, we have an input statement for attendance as a number. Attendance as a percentage. The percentage sign is shift and then 5. Colon. But that's inside our string. And double bracket. Then we have behavior. And again, this is a number. Behavior score. And 2 brackets. And then we start our selection statement on line number 4. If attendance is greater than or equal to 95 and behavior is greater than or equal to 4. So I've got 2 conditions there. They both have to be true for this print for a gold reward. Then I'm going to start my ELIF statement. ELIF attendance is greater than or equal to 90 and behavior is greater than or equal to 3, colon, this will print out, which is my silver reward. And then if all these conditions are false, my else is going to kick in, and my else statement says no reward. Unlucky. What I want to do is run the program. Let's have a look at our attendance. So if my attendance is 96 and my behavior score is 5, I should get a gold reward. Correct. Let's run it again. If my attendance is 92 and my behavior score is 7, I should get a silver. Oh, I've run it again. If my attendance is 92 and my behavior score is 7, I should get a silver. I do, I get a silver reward. Let's run it again. If my attendance is 89 and my behavior is 6, I should get a no reward. No reward, correct. Okay, so I've tested most conditions here. What I want to show you is how changing the order of if, ELIF, else statements can result in an error, a logic error that is, not a syntax error. So if I cut this out, and I'd like you to do this with me as well, and I plonk this here, and I change this to my if, and I change this to my ELIF, this is why logic and the correct order matter. So what will happen here, I'm predicting, is that the program will run correctly, first of all. So if I enter my attendance, as 97% and my behavior score is 8, you predict what's going to happen here. Give me 5 seconds. Okay, let's run the code and see what happens. So here I get a silver reward. So my silver reward has been awarded even though I've got an attendance of 97 and behavior score of 8. This is because my if and my ELIF are in the wrong order. What you need to make sure you do is always have the larger numbers in the if statement as the default, and then you follow on with the slightly smaller numbers as you go down. So I'm going to change this back now. I Control Z in it.